Hey guys, Hardik Patel here from eComHardy.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run the speed test of your website. So if you are a Shopify or WordPress or any website developer, try to fix the website speed and want to run the website speed test again and again, you can always check out my free tool. So if you go to eComHardy.com here and go to free tools section under the menu and click to website speed tester tool. If you click to that, this tool will open up. Simply enter your website and then click to test speed. It will take few seconds to run the speed test. You can see here, check your website speed by entering the URL into the box and clicking the test speed button. Just follow that. That's it. You get the speed test result here. You see here there are a few different scores provided here. So performance score 90%. If you click or hover your mouse on I, you will find more information that performance score is weighted average of various performance metrics. Score of 90 and above is considered good. So for this website, it's good. Load time is 0.88 seconds, which is amazing. Like under 2 seconds, any load time is good. First contentful paint FCP is 0.71. If it's under 1 second, it's excellent. Largest contentful paint is 1.91. Anything below 2.5 seconds is good. Cumulative layout shifts is 0, which is good. Anything below 0.1 is excellent. And overall user experience, because this website is not popular, so the experience is undefined. But if your website is popular, you will get the score here as well. And now you can also click to view detailed report and get the detailed report for the website score, but this is the fastest way to get the brief data, the important data you have to get, and you get the scoring. You can also save the PDF results, and that way you can share this result to your clients or the website owner. Simply click to that. And also you can share the result to your WhatsApp by clicking share result button if you are running this speed test using the mobile phone. This website is built in the Shopify, so you can see the Shopify is providing good speed. And if you are not Shopify user, you can always click to this start for free, then get your first month for $1, and you will find this page where you can sign up to Shopify for just $1. Anyways, if you are here for the first time, you can always sign up to this newsletter if you like to. So that way, if I launch any new tools, you will get notified by email first, but it's definitely up to you if you want to sign up. And if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thumbs up to this video if you like this video. And comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions, and I would love to answer your comments as soon as possible. Of course, before I go, if you scroll down here, you will get further more information. You can read it out if you want to. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.